Hey guys, Johnny from Ignite here. Welcome to this new video. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the new HSC English Exam Structure, specifically for Advanced English. So, as you may know, the syllabus has changed quite drastically, and with that, so too has the exam structure. So the way the HSC English Advanced course was examined in previous years has shifted to a new structure which does have similarities, but it is worth being on top of what the differences are. So here you can see the old exam structure, and this is what you'd actually be looking at when you arrived at the HSC exam period. Your internal assessments are not going to be exactly in this form. You're not going to be getting essays the whole way through. As you know, there's a multimodal component when you do your internal assessments at school. But when you get to October and when you get to trials even earlier, you're going to be having to adjust and get used to the new exam structure. So how that used to run is basically in paper 1, which would be the first day of your exams, you would have a comprehension section, a creative writing section, and an essay section. So you'd have 45 marks and you'd be given 2 hours and 10 minutes reading time to do that first paper. When you got to day 2, so you would go back the next day, and you will still go back the next day, you would be doing the modules, which were worth 20 marks each, and all 3 of these were essays. Let's look at the new exam structure. And you can see some immediate changes here, which I'm going to go through in the next video. But in paper 1, we're only looking at 2 sections here, and they're 45 minutes each. So you get 5 minutes extra per section, and you still get the 10 minutes reading time, which should be allocated almost exclusively to the comprehension section. So there's no creative writing section there. Instead, the creative writing component, which is a bit more elaborate now, is now module C, which is the craft of writing. But nevertheless, it's an hour and a half the first day you go in, plus 10 minutes reading time. And day 2 is still 2 hours with 5 minutes reading time, and it's still got that module A, module B, module C structure, and there's still 20 marks. But just note the key difference is this module C is no longer an essay component, but more on that later. Expect to see this structure when you get to the HSC exams. I hope this has been useful. We'll see you in the next video.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching once again. If you are enjoying our content, and we hope you are, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and of course, share with your friends.
That's right guys, thanks for watching, but please do make sure you check out our very special resources. They're quite unique. We've made a whole bunch of state rank practical guides for all your English texts out there. So check out the link now at ignitehsc.com.au. Let us know what you think, otherwise we'll see you in the next video.